Are you ready? Rotate your shoulders slowly backwards, and I want you to breathe. We're going to inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, down and back. Three more. And one more time. Good. Let's open your arms right here by your side. So try to reach for something down towards the floor and then squeeze towards the back. And release. Let's do your fingers. We're going to bring one finger at a time inside of your palm, and we're going to inhale. Exhale to curl. Yeah. Inhale to open. So press inside of your palms. Yeah, there we go. Where's your sister? It's been a long, long time. So if you have arthritis in the fingers, try to remember the exercise we're going to do. You can do it home, watching TV, and it's going to help reducing the inflammation and pain. Good. And release. Rotate your wrist nice and slow. Good. Can we play the piano? And I'm going to work your core as well. So let's play the piano. Yeah. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. You see it in English, huh? It's better for me in French. Okay, look what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go to the right, but my arms are too short. There, come on. Come back. So all of you, your arms are too short. Lift that hip. There we go. Move your upper body. Make sure your shoulders are staying down. There we go. Are you still moving your fingers? Yep. Good. One more time, each side. Do you feel your fingers? Mine are getting tired. There we go. Good. And release. Rotate your wrist, but the other way. Which way? Well, we always go one way. So start your usual way. Switch it up. Now it makes sense? Okay. I saw a big question mark in your eyes. Good. And release. Let's do your legs. We're going to bring the right leg up. Try to bring your back off the chair. Yeah. And let's slowly switch with your left. Keep your chest up and look straight ahead. Inhale. Exhale to left. I'm going to add something. Let's go up, point and flex, and then release. Let's inhale. Exhale. And again. I can't believe some of you are wearing their shorts. This. Imgard is wearing her Lululemon shorts. Ooh. No shorts for gym. Open your arms. Shoulders are staying down. Palms are up. Little circles. If it's too hard for your neck, shoulders, bring your elbows closer to you. Nice and slow. There we go. And reverse. Do you feel the work in your shoulders? We're not lifting anything else than our arms. Gravity is pushing on our arms, but that's it. And release. Rotate your shoulders slowly, one at a time. Good. Let's do circles with your upper body. So again, I'm going to come forward. I'm seated very close to the end of my chair. So press your feet firmly into the earth. And I want you to come forward. And then back. Feel the work. Bring your abs into your spine. Oh, too many whipped cream, Jimmy. Too much whipped cream with your pumpkin pie. Well, I'm in the same boat. So try not moving your head. Okay, I'm just moving my upper body. My head is following. Okay, let's switch the other way. That's better. Don't move your head. So what is the easiest? The what? Okay. So what is the easiest for you guys? What position? For me is when I go forward. Okay, so what is the hardest? So which one do you feel it the most? Yeah, when we go back. Yeah. And release. Let's go with your lower body again, your legs. Find a comfortable spot and rotate slowly your ankle. Try to inhale half the circle. Exhale the other. Look straight ahead and reverse. Okay, what are you feeling? Yeah, feeling work. Do you feel the stretch? Where? Okay, that's the work. You don't feel any stretch underneath? Okay. So we're going to do the other leg and just be aware. Just feel it. So nice and tall. Lift the heart. And again, go slow. That's it. Are you starting to feel the work? Are you feeling the stretch? Okay. So you're normal. Slowly release. We're going to inhale up. Exhale, palms down, past your hips. Yeah, inhale. Try not moving your upper body again. Yeah, exhale. See, I'm not going to shift my shoulders either. That's it. Again, up, inhale. Exhale. Can we do two more? Don't be surprised if you hear a snore. I don't think it's going to be Jimmy. Yes, I'm talking about you. Okay, and let's stay again right here. So turn your thumbs out, and then can you bring your wrist down or your thumbs down? And are you breathing? Okay. Okay. And release. Let's do perfect O's. Put your glasses on. So even the thumb has to be bent. Inhale to open. Stretch your fingers completely. Switch your fingers against your thumb. Good. Again, open, stretch completely. Go with your ring finger. Good. Again, open completely. Pinky against the thumb. And we'll do it again. Okay? So I want perfect O's. The problem is when we have arthritis in the fingers, some joints don't bend anymore. So do what you can. Yeah, I forgot to stretch completely here. There we go. Relax your shoulder, is going to be easier. Yeah. Can we do one more time? Yes or no? Yes. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I see you too. And release, rotate again your wrist. Can we do baby squats? So if it's too hard for your knees, you can just lift one leg at a time, okay? So baby squats, you're barely lifting yourself. Keep your knees opened above your ankle. And remember, I want to see baby ones. When we stand, usually he stands too. He thinks we're going for a walk. Okay, one more time. Good. And release, march, inhale, exhale, cactus. And again, up, exhale, and again, up, exhale. Can I mix you up? Open, narrow, open, narrow, again, open, narrow. Okay, now look at that. I'm going to keep my arms here, but I'm going to open my legs. Close and reach. And let's switch. Close and reach. Inhale. Exhale. Oh, I lost one already. 4, 3. We should go to the hockey game together. 2, 2, 2. Last one. Good. And release. Rest your arms. You can open your legs as well to stretch or open your inner thighs. So if you're tight, you might feel it in your legs. And while we're here, let's do a sun salutation. Would you like some water? Good. Are you ready? Some of you have big bottles. You don't have the baby bottles like Anne. It's been, give me a break. Let's inhale up. Exhale to cactus. Hands on your thighs. Inhale. Exhale halfway down. So hinge from the hips. And come back to inhale. Exhale. Option 1, you stay right here. Option 2, you touch the earth. Bring your right arm up. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale, open your left. And hands down. Hands on your thighs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale down. Push on your thighs to come back nice and tall. And then shoulders down and back. Again, up to inhale. Exhale, cactus. Hands on your thighs. Inhale. Exhale, halfway down. And again, up. And touch the earth. Inhale, open your right. Exhale down. Inhale, open your left. And hands down. Hands on your thighs. Inhale to come halfway. Exhale down. Inhale all the way up. Shoulders down and back. I'm going to modify it a little. Inhale up. Exhale, swan dive. Forward fold. Inhale, open your left arm up. Exhale down. Inhale, open your right. Exhale down. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Open your wings. Exhale, swan dive. Open your left arm up. Exhale to release. Open your right. And let's go down. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Exhale, swan dive. Inhale up. Listen to your back. If it's too much, you stop. And again, up. And down. Can we do 2 more? Good. Last one, up. Good. And cactus arms. And you're welcome to close your legs as well.